Don't use antivirus computer tips and tricks. In this video, you will learn why you should not install third-party antivirus software, how the built-in Windows Security Windows Defender already protects your PC, and why extra antivirus program can slow down your system. This information is extremely useful for every Windows user. Right-click Start button, then select Run, then type MRT. Click OK. Then select Next. Here are the three scan options: Quick Scan, Full Scan, Custom Scan. Then click Next. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.